Hi, this is Quinn at Kaizink with a quick improvement to order entry. So we enter orders for any internal graphics that are being made, whether they're for marketing or for signage. And when we were entering those before, you'd have to come in and you'd have to type in, your naming convention. And say, so you'd type in the product name, you'd have to add the part. You'd have to add, hours and stuff in here. You have to assign it to the product category. Then you'd have to go in and override the price because it's an internal job. And then you'd go in and you'd add your design notes. So we've made an improvement to this with a quick product. So all you have to do is click on Add Quick Product, filter it by Kaizink, and then you click on the Design Quick Product. This will pull it in with the pricing already fixed, so all you have to do is go in and add your design notes, and then just update the description in the naming convention for the size and what's being made.